So guess what? They not you.
Y'all.
Wait.
No, y'all. When I tell you little lady acting like she never ate.
So guess what? We are in Burberry, and Benevia was getting some custom stuff, and they're having a party here at Burberry London. Got the DJ down there. They're getting ready to walk around with beef Wellington and all kinds of things going on. It's the biggest Burberry that we've ever seen. It's got so many different levels. It's ridiculous.
And we have a lot of champagne, so cheers.
Is there a special occasion for the party?
It's just we bought a new summer collection, so it's just to show our new collection of everything. So we've got models walking around as well, wearing all the clothes. Which is really
Nice. Okay. What do we have here?
Negroni.
Thank you. Oh yes, that's their Meta Ray-Ban.
Yes, I love them.
Yes.
I keep looking at them and I'm like, I know that I'm going to use them, and in my head I'm like, you're not going to use them.
So guess what, y'all? They absolutely love American accents. Well, the people that we've met, they said that our American accents are strong.
Free drinks at Burberry London. Champagne. I don't even know what this is, but I mean, when do you walk into a store and end up at a fashion party at Burberry London? This is life. What? Get out. Travel. I'm trying to tell y'all, get out to travel. Because it's life out here. It's life out here.
I love this. I love this. It's probably so worth it. Oh, that's lovely.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's caught my eye.
Oh my gosh. Look, please. Please look. Please look. That is fire. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That is fire. That is so mean. That is so mean. Look at that. Thank you. You
guys are great.
Now he's in high demand. So
Oh
you
my
got him
gosh,
there.
right?
Now I have like a pile this big of who I gotta keep up with.
I love your skirt, by the way.
Yes.
This is from Burberry.
Lovely.
Oh, wonderful.
My boyfriend said to do step on a dead cat, but I'm like, no. You don't understand.
You don't understand.
You don't get it. Style, though. You don't even have hands.
Oh my God. That's it. Try it. Ooh. What is this?
Vegan ricotta.
Vegan ricotta.
Yeah, I've got some napkins as well.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so
Enjoy.
much. Look at that.
Got it?
Vegan ricotta.
Look, y'all. I got a bean stuck to my scarf.
So good.
Like, do you eat the whole
Making
thing?
a bed when you drop beans all over the place.
Benevia said I dropped beans all over the carpet, y'all. Do you eat the whole thing? Damn, you not answering me.
I hope so. Yeah, you eat the whole
I
thing.
got beans.
The lady that worked at Burberry was following behind Lolita, picking up her peas off the floor. The lady was walking behind you, picking up peas because you kept dropping peas.
Look,
I gotta get you out of here.
y'all, they got all these free drinks. I'm chasing around food trays.
She is. We gotta get you out of here because you starting to act real American. We gotta get you out of here. You literally chasing food trays like we can't go get it. We gotta get you out of here. Okay, come on, let's go.
They got another tray, y'all.
Y'all,
Wait.
no, y'all. When I tell you Lolita acting like she ain't never ate, like she ain't never been nowhere, I'm gonna need you to get it together.
Wait, look.
Look how you chasing down the man with the food. Lolita, she picking up your
Shani, I
peas. She picking up your peas. Lolita, she picking up your peas.
Here we go. Right behind you. Now this
I feel
is,
this side of the room, they're starving. So I get to here.
yes, what is this?
Beef Wellington.
This is the beef
It's
Wellington.
very good.
Oh, it's my first meal
And the last
in
one's about to go.
3 years.
This is wonderful.
They're good, they're really nice. First one in 3 years.
I'm a vegetarian, but we're traveling, so I said I need to let my palate
happens in here is
experience the
different.
world.
Yeah,
Very
exactly.
good, very good.
Go witness this moment. It's good, yeah, it's worth it. I think it's worth it.
That's so good.
Nice one, mate.
Yeah.
It's a lot savorier than cauliflower.
Oh my gosh. So, when do y'all see these? Look at this.
This is gorgeous.
Look at this.
It's so thick and rich.
Fire. These are fire. What?